Hey, my dear friends, I'd like to talk something about self development, personality development, and all that. It's quite sunny today. Day before yesterday, we had some rains and all. Happy day, my dear friends. This is such a happy day. Always, nature gives us lot of good things, lot of nice good things. Only it is up to us to appreciate, adore, respect, and feel good that God, Mother Nature, has given us a lot of blessings. We need to always have that attitude of gratitude. Attitude of gratitude is nothing but feeling thankful for what you have now. Can you see a butterfly? So many colorful butterflies are here. So we need to appreciate and feel good that Mother Nature has provided us with so many things. Those days when we were like hunter-gatherers, we'll just hunt for food, eat food, sleep, and all that. Now, after human evolution, so many things have happened, and we need to be aware and have that awareness, as well as we need to have that sense of appreciation, attitude of gratitude, and we should feel good. We should feel blessed that we have been given all this treasure or gifts from Mother Nature. We don't even appreciate it, just we take it for granted. So we have come far away from this hunter-gatherer stage, and now they say that it is the age for communication. So instantaneously you can communicate with any person on earth in a jiffy, so easily, within few seconds. So that is what is happening now.